So if you guys ever get a LED light on your motorcycle, you're gonna experience what's called hyper flash. You see that very fast flash? That's because the system is not designed to handle the LED lights, okay? It's different. So you're gonna have to get a fix for that. The blink rate is much faster than normal, okay, on both the front and the back. This is an integrated LED light, which I just purchased to eliminate the large signal lamps. The flash is blinking much faster than normal right now. Now, the fix is quick, easy, and simple. I'll show you. You're gonna need a flasher relay, such as the one from TST Industries. It's a plug and play that replaces your OEM flash relay. And this is what it looks like. 2-pin LED flasher relay. This is a Gen 2 for Ninja 650 2019. So I'm going to show you how to replace that really easy without having to remove any type of fairings. I have my bike on a stand, rear stand, so this makes it a little bit easier, but it's not 100% necessary. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to remove this, and first of it, locate it and remove it without having to remove any fairings or any tools even. Okay, check it out. This is the right side. Go underneath the fairing, you see the radiator. You just push it up. Right out, look, see? This is it. This is it. And it has a little pin. See? Came right out. Super easy. It's only held by this rubber piece. Just latches right on there. This is the original 2-pin flasher relay. Here's a TST. It also has a little wheel. I believe you can adjust the rate also. I'm just gonna plug it in and see what happens. Just standard out the box. So right now I'm just gonna plug it right back in to that connector. Super easy. Okay, just that's right on there. Should be on. Now I'm gonna test it without, latching it back on there just to see if it works. There it is. You can see the rate is normal now. Yeah, so there it is, guys. I don't think I need to adjust it any further as far as getting the rate changed. That's perfectly fine with me. I'm not gonna mess around with it, but it does have a little dial where you can change the rate. I'm just gonna go ahead and just snap it right back onto the motorcycle and we'll be all set. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot. This little rubber, you need to remove this and put it on the other unit, because this is what latches on the little rubber deal. onto the bike. So you remove it. There it is. And I'm gonna latch this back onto the bike and be good to go. So remember, there's a piece here in the back, you'll feel it, where this would latch on. It's like a little square little metal piece. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just gotta kind of wiggle it around. You'll find the groove. Once you'll feel it. All right, I think it's on there. It's on there. So you can see right there the red. See? All set. That's all there is to it. No tools, nothing required other than just your hands and the unit. Well, there it is, guys. That was pretty simple. As long as you know how to do it, it'll take you just a few minutes. Everything's working properly like it should. Blinkers are normal, flash rate, super simple. Get the flash relay TST Industries. It's the best one out there. I've already looked. Plug and play, super easy. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.